Anyway, let's get into what I want to talk to you guys about today on this video. For a lot of people going through this stuff right now, like money has been a little bit tight. Now, I've been lucky enough to have one of my jobs actually be considered here in Virginia to be essential. The other one, my main one, semi started up because we've been doing a lot of training and stuff like that as of the time of recording this video. For a second I wondered if it was my car. I was like, wait a minute, my car is on, it shouldn't be going off. But anyway, so money had been a little bit tight, and I had some trouble with the Virginia Employment Commission, but luckily it got through thanks to a friend of mine who gave me a telephone number to call up in Danville, Virginia, to help me get through, because a lot of people were not getting through in person. Obviously, offices are closed as of the time of recording this. You try to call their numbers, nobody answers as of the time of recording this, the ones they send you on the paperwork. And then of course you try going online, the system either kicks you out or isn't working right. So, but luckily I found a telephone number to help folks in Virginia out if they're having problems with the Virginia Employment Commission. And luckily, as of filming this video, in Wednesday, it's Thursday evening now, so Wednesday, I'll get some more money, which I got. Again, I'm still working, but just like on the side, and the main job is still waiting on that because of what it is. They don't deem it essential. But anyway, so what I want to show you today is something that I had ordered about maybe 2 months ago. I actually ordered three timepieces from the Wish app this time. And I want to show you one of them today. This one here I'm actually going to give to my younger brother, because his birthday is coming up here shortly. So let's go into the Locks on Wheels, and I'm going to show you guys this real quick. So this is what I got. This video won't come out until after his birthday, so he won't even see this until after his birthday. This is what I got him here real quick, and I'll show you guys something. All right, so this is what I got him real quick, so I drop it. And I've got two more that are on the way from Wish. Hopefully they'll be here soon. But I got him this, and I'm not going to do a week-long kind of thing like I normally do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give him this for his birthday, and if he wants to, I might have him come back in the future and tell me how it performed for him. But I went on to the Wish app, got him this watch here. I'll leave information up on the screen so you guys can check it out and see if it's something that you want for yourself. So it's got the cloth that comes with it for cleaning it. Of course, it's got all of the paperwork and so forth, and it's got this here on it. You guys can see. There we go. It is ticking, and you should be able to see part of the other features functioning there, so it does work. That's a start stop, it looks like, for the chronograph or the stopwatch. And yeah, actually looks very nice. You can see what I paid for it up on the screen. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put it beside this one here. You guys already see it's upside down, I know, but so you guys kind of get an idea of the size of it, similar in thickness to what I'm wearing right now. And if you, for example, want to see about this watch I'm wearing right now, I'll leave a link in the description to this timepiece here off of Amazon I got. But this one I got off the Wish app, and it actually looks very good. Very good. So yeah, so like I said, not a very long video this time. I'm going to give this to my brother for a present, and I just wanted to talk to you guys today about this timepiece before I go listen to some music here at the beach at Sandbridge Beach, Little Island, section of Sandbridge Beach here in Virginia Beach. And yeah, it's actually a pretty cool watch. And I hope you guys enjoyed this very short episode of Atlantic Ocean Watch. If you don't excuse me, I'm going over there, watch the bikinis, and listen to some music. So you guys take care.